How to add only music in Instagram story. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to add only a song to your Instagram story but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Tap on the plus icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select Story. At the very top, you will see the option for music. Tap on it. Now, browse through the list of songs or simply search for a desired song. For ease, let's search for a specific song. Tap on the search bar. Type in the song name and search for it. Once you find your desired song, tap on it to select. Now, tap on the vinyl record sticker to edit song related settings. At the very first, you can change the appearance. You can choose vinyl record sticker, different music cards, or even the lyrics of the song. Select based on your preference. I will choose the vinyl record sticker, which is the default option. Next, select the best part of the song that you want to add to your story. For that, drag the colorful box to the part you want to feature. Once satisfied, tap Done at the top right corner. Finally, tap either Your Story or Your Stories option available at the bottom to upload your story. As you can see, my recent story has now been uploaded. Tap on it to view and boom, you have successfully learned how to add only music in your Instagram story. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.